Okay, welcome to our video demo of our latest fully rebuilt Bridgeport machine. This one has the variable speed head, has the upgrade LCD console, 3-axis DRO system, and it's been fully stripped down and rebuilt. So it's had a regrind to the column, the X, Y and back of the knee axes, top of the table, and the two sides have all been reground as well. Brand new lead screws throughout, brand new nuts and so on. Loads of new bearings throughout the head, so all new bearings in the head, new pulleys, all sorts of parts, new belts and so on in the head. Lots of work done there. Same with the spindle and the quill arrangement, all been fully serviced, stripped down serviced, brand new bearings in the spindle, reground spindle, all running absolutely spot on. So this one's actually got the benefit of a 4-inch riser block here, as you'll notice it's quite a lot higher than the normal machines. So that's for the person who's having this machine, rebuilds motors for motorbikes and that sort of thing. So he needs the extra height. So if you want a machine like this, check us out on gtmachineparts.co.uk. If you want to order the DRO systems, it's gtprecision.co.uk. If you want to order any of the parts for the Bridgeport, we've got them on stock. So we've got power feeds, coolant pumps, lights, all that sort of thing. Anything you need for the Bridgeport itself, it's rebuilding all the time, so we have all the parts on stock. If you need any advice on rebuilding your own machine, just check us out on the links for the rebuilds on the website on YouTube, or please just give us a call, contacts on the website. So let's see this machine running now, and if you want one, please feel free to contact us. This one's got a 48-inch table as well. It's lovely and smooth all the way across. It's got safety handles in the X. Lovely and smooth all the way. Same with the Y. Obviously with the reground bedways, makes it lovely and smooth all the way. We'll offer some close-up pictures of the bedways as well, so you can see how we've reground, you know. Knee, lovely and smooth. You see the knee moving on the screen there. There's a brand new bearing in the knee, brand new lead screw, brand new nuts, so it's all as it should be. We rebuilt the lube system, so the lube system has got brand new bills your parts, which is the original manufacturer. So new pump, new pipe, and all the meter units all been replaced as well. All the locks have been serviced, so the X, the Y and the knee lock all been serviced, all spot on. So power feed, it's all variable speed. And you can move these stops to wherever you need them to be. So when you hit the switch in the middle, they'll just shut down automatically. Okay, so moving on, let's test the variable speed head and the quill now. So that's running around 1400 RPM. Hear how quiet that is, it's lovely and quiet. That's 2,800, 2,000, 1,000, and 500. In reverse now. Just as quiet in reverse. That's 1,000, 1,600, 2,400, all spot on. There we go, back down to 900. Turn the head off, hit the brake just to show you it does work. All the brakes have been serviced, of course. Okay, so we're going to move this handle now from the high range, which is what we're in, to the low range. So move this one out of the way. It's a quick release handle. Push this handle in, and then turn it around. And you just need to turn the spindle sometimes just to get it in. Make sure you're locked on before you fire up on the switch here. There you go. Just as quiet in low range. Now in the back gear now, you'll find that it actually reverses the spindle. That's completely normal for a Bridgeport. That's why it just says, forward reverse on the top of the head there, on the switch. So just as quiet and low. There's 260 RPM. 100, and all the way back down to 60. And reverse now, just as quiet. 120, 170, and there's 280. Got it spot on. Okay, we'll put it back into high range now and then we'll test the quill. So push the handle in, and we go back to high range. Come back down to a more sensible speed, around 1200 RPM. I'll bring the handle up to the top. Remember to take the lock off and just come off the stop. Whenever you want to engage this feed handle here, you need to just be off one of the extremities of the stop. So don't want to be all the way at the bottom or all the way at the top. Just come off slightly, then you can engage the feed. Let's move it up. So we'll reverse that now. So it feeds down nicely. You knock the feed off with 2 fingers, which is correct. So for every spindle speed, we've got 3 different feed rates. So this is the highest at the moment, that's the slowest, and that's the medium down the bottom, all working as we should. Okay, I'll reverse that now. Turn that off, reverse the feed. I'm pushing this feed reverse knob in. Sometimes just going to push it, just takes a little bit of teasing. Completely normal for a Bridgeport. Feed it back up now, all working as it should. Turn that off. Put the handle up to the top, and then push the lock, and it locks as it should. Okay, got an LED light here. You can fit the guard that you specify. We have a full range of guarding available. This machine will be guarded before it goes out. So let us know what you need, and we can fit whatever suits you. Thanks for watching. Please press subscribe.